This video is going to explain the differences between switchblades, spring assist knives, aka assisted openers, gravity knives, and butterfly knives, or balisongs. This is a switchblade. By definition, a switchblade is anything that opens automatically by the press of a button. This is an Italian-style stiletto. Has the safety: you push it up, can't open the blade, pull it down, and you can press the button to open it. Close it by pressing in this bolster. It folds back up. And that's the Italian-style stiletto. This is another type of switchblade. It is called a lever lock. Opens with this lever on the top. You pull it down, press in, and blade opens. Use the same lever to close the blade. It's a modern switchblade. This modern coil spring, button open, button close type. This is also a switchblade. It is an OTF, aka out the front switchblade. Press this switch forward, blade ejects. Pull the switch back, blade retracts. This is a dual action switchblade, meaning it can be opened like a regular folding liner lock knife, or you can open it with this little hidden release mechanism here in this top part of the handle. You press this part in and it opens as a switchblade. So those are your switchblades. Doesn't matter if it opens out the side or out the front. Anything that opens via a switch button or mechanism in the handle of the knife is considered a switchblade. Now, spring assist or assisted opening knives, somewhat similar to switchblades. However, they open by pressing on an index flipper, which is part of the blade itself. Apply a little pressure to this little flipper protrusion, and the blade flips out. Same deal with this one. You apply a little pressure to this little protrusion, and it starts the opening process, and the spring kicks in and finishes with opening the blade, flings it the rest of the way out. So those are your spring assist knives. Spring assists are legal in more places usually than the switchblade or automatic knives, meaning there's usually less restrictions on spring assists than there are on automatics. Gravity knives, somewhat similar to switchblades, however they don't open with a spring, rather just gravity itself. Just press this lever in, hold it down, blade drops out, press it in, blade drops back in. So that's the gravity knife. Butterfly knife, aka balisong. This is pretty self-explanatory, just opens via flipping methods. People do all kinds of crazy tricks with these. Some cases they're considered gravity knives. Other places they usually aren't. It depends. You need to look into your laws on that. Okay, so that's that. Hope this video was informative for anybody confused about the differences between the different knife types and mechanisms. I did the best I could. Anyway, hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.